Hello, my name's Wayne Crowe. Now, if you haven't heard of me, I am one of the biggest solo ad vendors, and I've done it now for over 10 years. And I absolutely love providing solo ads, and I know the industry better than most. In fact, I've sent over 27,000 clicks in one single day, and it made me over $15,000. I know the industry very well. I know who has the good traffic, who has the bad traffic, who the scammers are, who the fake accounts are. I know it better than pretty much anyone. In fact, I ran an event a few years ago where all the top affiliates and top internet marketers flew over, and I taught them how to run solo ads and how to run traffic to the best of my ability on this 2-day event. Now, Edgars, or as I know him, Edgar Pegger, reached out to me and asked me to provide a testimonial for his traffic. And I've only ever done this for one other solo ad vendor, but I know Edgar very well, and I couldn't resist but to give a testimonial on his traffic. I know what it's like when you have so many people that are cheaper out there and they just want to sell you the cheapest quality traffic. Do not buy cheap, guys, because you'll buy it twice or 3 times. You'll spend tons of money and you won't get results. With Edgar, whenever I've dealt with him, he's always been helpful. He's always provided me the top quality traffic. I've got sales and I keep going back for more. So whenever I run short, I always go to Edgar because I've tested loads of different traffic sources out there, and Edgar has one of the best, if not the best from the people I buy from. So don't delay. Purchase his traffic before it sells out, because when I've tried to get some, it's always sold out, as you'd expect from someone with good traffic. Stop buying the cheap junk out there and try Edgar's traffic once. Try to see what his service is like, because this guy knows his stuff.